Imagine having a superpower, a power that lets you see right through people's words into their darkest thoughts. It's not magic, it's psychology. And today, I'm giving you the key. Every day, we are lied to. By friends, by colleagues, even by the people we love. We focus on what they say, but we miss 90% of the communication. Did you know that human speech only conveys 7% of meaning? The rest is body language, tone, and microscopic signals that the subconscious mind cannot hide. At Psych Facts Lab, we don't just give you facts, we give you tools. In this video, I'm revealing 10 advanced techniques to read anyone instantly. Master these and you will never be manipulated again. If you're ready to see the world differently, type truth in the comments and subscribe. Let's begin. Point 1. The eye direction. Ask someone a question that requires them to remember something, like, what did you eat yesterday? If they look up and to their left, they are accessing memory. They are telling the truth. But if they look up and to their right, their brain is constructing a scenario. They might be creating a lie. Practice this, it works. Point 2. Pupil size. The pupils are the window to emotional arousal. When a person sees something they like, whether it's a romantic partner, a delicious meal, or a business opportunity, their pupils will involuntarily dilate. It's a sign of interest and excitement. If their pupils shrink, they are likely uninterested or hostile. Point 3. Micro-expressions. These are involuntary facial movements that last less than a second. Imagine someone pretends to be happy for you, but for a split second, a look of pure disgust flashes across their face. That is their true emotion. Train yourself to spot these tiny flashes of truth, and you'll see people for who they really are. Point 4. Touching the face. While classic folklore says touching your nose means you're lying, it's not always true. However, it is a sign of stress. When we are lying or uncomfortable, the increased blood flow causes itchiness in the nose and neck. If someone suddenly starts scratching their face while you ask a sensitive question, they are facing internal pressure. Use that information. Point 5. Hand gestures. When a person is being honest and open, they often use palms up gestures. It's a subconscious signal that they have nothing to hide. On the other hand, palms down gestures show authority or a desire to control the narrative. Watch a politician or a negotiator. Their hands will tell you if they are trying to connect or trying to dominate. Point 6. Mirroring. When two people are in sync and trust each other, they unconsciously mirror each other's body language. They might cross their legs at the same time or sip their drink simultaneously. If you want to know if someone likes you or trusts your idea, watch if they mirror you. If they don't, there is a mental barrier. Point 7. The feet. As we've mentioned in Psych Facts Lab before, the feet are the most honest part of the body. In a group conversation, look at people's feet. If their feet are pointed towards you, they are engaged. If they are pointed towards the door, their mind is already heading for the exit. Their body is telling you, I want to leave. Points 8 to 10. Point 8. A sudden change in vocal pitch often signals deception. Point 9. Crossing arms can mean defensiveness, but it can also just mean they are cold. Context is key. Point 10. Rapid blinking is a sign of extreme anxiety. When you combine these signs, you get a full picture. Remember, one sign by itself means very little. A scratching nose doesn't make someone a liar, but a scratching nose, looking up and to the right, and rapid blinking all at once, that is a pattern. You need to look for clusters. Start observing everyone, at work, in meetings, even while watching movies. The more you look, the more you will see. The world is full of hidden signals, and you now have the eyes to see them. Use this power wisely. Comment below which technique you are going to use first. If you want to keep unlocking the secrets of the human mind, subscribe to Psych Facts Lab. Until next time, stay observant.